Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you? Happy independence to those of you in Nigeria, my fellow Nigerians. Happy independence. Yes, so this is an Independence Day special, essentially, because it's got the colors green and white. All right, it's a very beautiful dress, as you have seen in the video preceding this point. So I'm just going to walk you through the dress. It's got a lot of parts, but trust me, they're really easy to put together. So I'm sure you can see this circle right here. Right, this dress requires a lot of measurement, precision taking, and all of that we teach in our master/advanced class. But I'm just going to walk you through the basics with which we make this dress. Are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. Every week we bring you inspiration videos or a video on how we made one of our bespoke dresses or accessories or interior decor. So you should totally subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can be informed on when these things come, right? Okay, so let's go. This dress, we started it with a circle, which formed the back side of the dress. All right, so you can choose any circle design that you like. There's loads of those online if you want, or you can create your own. All right, we created this one to a point, and then of course imbibed other stitch types to create the increases. All right, so this here is a circle. Now note, you're going to have to take into consideration the entire length of the dress, right? The entire length of the dress will inform how wide you're going to make your circle, because the diameter of the circle at the end of the day forms a length, a particular part of the length of the back of the dress. All right, so if for example you want the back of the dress to get all the way to the ankle, and then you want the front of the dress to stop maybe somewhere at your knee, it means that the distance between that ankle and the knee will have to be taken into consideration when making this circle. All right, and of course the distance from the shoulder to the knee, and then the shoulder to the ankle, all of that is going to be taken into consideration. All right, so we walked this circle first, and when we got to the desired the diameter, what we did was now to create a few chains. Yeah, right, we created chains and attached to one side. We just picked any side of the circle and attached chains that will go around that measurement. The chains, between the chains and the part of the circle that we chose, that measurement is supposed to was made to be in the measurement of the individual's diameter or diaphragm. Sorry, that's the word, the individual's diaphragm. Now, if that design was supposed to start from the waist down, it means that that's your circle, that diameter you create, you know, with the chains and a part of the circle would have to be the measurement of the waist. Now, if you wanted the design to start from the hip, the same thing will have to happen. You're going to have to chain enough to attach to the part of the circle in the measurement of the person's hip. However, this one, we did it in the measurement of the person's diaphragm. All right, so if the diaphragm was supposed to measure 26, for example, it means that we'll take 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 13 inches a part of the circle, and then we'll add a 13-inch chain length and continue the work. Now you can choose at that point to either walk upward or to walk downward. Walking downward would mean extending the length of the dress, while walking upward would mean creating the torso part, the armhole, and the neckline. This dress was worked with Houndstooth stitch. It was worked with cotton thread. All right, that's the special thing about this dress. So Houndstooth stitch for this top part of the dress to give it that decent opaquish look. All right, so it's not a see-through per se, right, all the way to the shoulder. As usual, you create your armholes, create your desired neckline, and then join up as you see fit. Then you go back to work. We now went back to work the lower part. Now this lower part, we just chose a stitch, a recognizable stitch. These are just shells for the most part. These are shells, double crochet shells, right? double crochet shells, and then of course we imputed this double crochet stitches right in the middle to give it this very beautiful design. So this we worked all around the dress, giving the back side a lot more length, and of course the front side its desired length. The desired length for the front side was supposed to be somewhere just above the knee, and so we continue. So you just keep walking it of course it to create like another circle like structure. So you just keep walking in the round, going round and round and round until you get to your desired length. This dress is it's simple to work if you have all your measurements down. It's really important that you have your measurements down. We have an advanced course on how to take measurements and how to interpret them into the dresses that you want to make. So if you want one of those, do let us know. Now, at the end of all of that, we decided to attach this very beautiful flower, and then we imputed beads into it, and then we added another one up here. So it's a really beautiful dress, as you have seen in the video preceding this my class. So do let me know, what do you think? Also let me know if there's any part of this video that was quite unclear as I spoke, right? And then if you want a one-on-one, also do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. I'm going to be putting links to our Instagram galleries that in the description box. You can visit our wedding galleries and visit our corporates and casuals gallery as well on Instagram. It offers a great variety of bespoke dresses, accessories, you know, and the likes. All right. Thank you again. Bye for now.